Today I'm gonna show you how to play with my game. Let's get it started. Let me show you. This is like fidget toys, whatever. If you don't know, it means something like satisfying. Like, ooh, this is my favorite. I wish I have in real life. It's called a puppet. This game is full with satisfying thing. You saw the up thing over there? You just press it and start. There you go. And I don't know about this Aubrey. What's this Aubrey supposed to be? I don't know. Oh my god, what's that? Oh, it's making cookies. It's making cookies. What happened? Oh, it will just candy cane like that. It will feel satisfying. If you don't have any mouse like that, it can feel. And this is painting other people's nail. You can change the color by here. And this is drawing. You can change the color too. And this is a magic wand. You can change the color and blah blah. Oh wait, if you're wrong, you just press the cross button. And this is a firework. You can pretend that you submitted. Then you pretend. Oh, when you go down, okay, this you can write your name. I don't know about this. I haven't tried this. Oh, now I get it. Oh. I think it's yellow. I won't eat it. This one is very satisfying. Not my favorite, but it just shows you the clean. This is just a pencil. There's a pencil. My name is girl. Down here is you change the color. This one. Wait until they're red. Yeah. This is lime. This is just like go to toothpaste gone. Who can figure out my name? Comment. Oof, I need to write it. Who can figure out my name? Comment. Okay. Oof, I wrong again. Okay, who can figure out my name? My friend Polly. Oh gosh. My best friend Ferrari. She also has one. No. No, why do you keep falling down? Okay. This one. Change color. Yeah, I don't like that. This is a magical ball. Yeah, that's a magical ball. Wait, what's this gun? Yeah, that's like the balloon stretch ball. This one, the flower thing is color only. And this is just chopstick. Okay. A, H. Okay, am I a girl or boy? Comment down below. Because that have the name of it. Wait, I'm wrong with the question mark. I'm wrong with the question mark. I'm wrong with something. Bam. You probably know I'm a girl. Or boy. Just kidding. Oh, if I ruin it. Yeah, my name is totally. Yes, I guess you guys guess it. Pop. Yes, a girl. Because I live from. Wait. What's this language? It's probably easy. Malay. Okay, it's probably easy for you. But when you wait. But when you go down here, it's called quality paths. That means it's like not for free, but you can try to watch the video. Puppet. Okay, also they have wrapping paper. Let's go next one. Wait. Part 2 is from my best friend Ferrari channel. How to spell channel? FARYYAL. He was showing how to play Savio and PKXD. Bye.